Here's to be an unboxing video of my new Hummer. Give you a short tour around the bots.
It's going to be very easily done.
There's that side. And of course, like all unboxing videos, here's the bottom.
Our stuff together. I'll give you that. I'll give you the animal, and I'll give you. I may have a box too, and I'll give you some money, and we can just mail our stuff together. Because I won't have time during the week, but you may have time.
Mom,
so.
I need a knife.
Okay, I'll just let you mail it. We put it in the same box and ship it, and that way both of us get it to her on the same day. Yeah. Okay, well, I'm going to eat something and head on back to work. God, this is crazy. Oh, yeah, it's only today, so it's not that big a deal. Yeah. Okay, bye. Need some help?
No.
Okay.
Better eat.
There we go. There's that. Oh.
Peanut butter cookies, sugar cookies, decorate.
Here's the
Soul House cookies, and I'll make some oatmeal.
here's the remote control. Set that aside for now. Let's get right on with the car. There's the Hummer itself. Doors don't open, which is disappointing. Most RC cars like this don't have opening doors. Let's see if it's ghetto rigged. Eh, it's not that bad. Here's the antenna. It's kind of bent for saving miles per gallon. That's how you save on fuel, is by having a bent antenna. And my dad thinks I'm a douchebag. Alright. Let's figure out how to get this damn remote out. Oh, I think I figured it out. I can get that off in a minute. There's that. Get our antenna. Thanks for helping. There's our antenna. Try and...
You have to get it. No, you don't. You just unscrew it. Yeah, that's a
Dad! Can you help me? While I'm waiting for help or...
Get that car out. It's got to be twisted underneath or something.
Yeah.
Glued or whatever. I don't know if you need a screwdriver or not.
Woohoo, they got it on there good, don't they? That just unscrews, I think.
Yeah, of course.
Oh, wait a minute.
Here, I got it. Oh, I figured it out. Here. Now take hold of the box. There.
Yeah.
No.
What, you got to break off that other one?
Yeah. Take it off, not break it. Here, I got it.
Okay.
Freedom! There she be. There's the Hummer. Get this antenna set up. And then once I find some batteries, we'll take for a short test drive on the road. After I get some batteries, we'll take for its first test drive across the neighborhood. There. And there you go. Bye.